So this is the DJI Neo 2, and I'm out here with my buddy Jevin. We've been testing a bunch of stuff out here in the Sierra Mountains, and DJI has crammed a lot of really good stuff into this. It's quite an upgrade from the original Neo, but I'm going to give you first impressions here. And by the way, DJI didn't send this to me. Jevin actually bought this, and yeah, let's try this thing out and see how it works. So first off, it has obstacle avoidance, top and bottom too, and then this is the 04 module on the back here. So if you want to have it to be able to go greater distances, that's a module you're going to want. And then the coolest part is these two front screens, which give you a whole bunch of feedback about what mode the drone is flying in. And on the side here, you have buttons.
Rocket, follow, selfie shot, droney, circle.
To be able to cycle through.
Droney.
Push and hold.
2 meters, 4 meters, 6 meters.
And you could cycle through.
Rise, flat.
The different
4
modes.
meters, 10 meters, 20 meters.
And then you get out of it, push that. And then when you're ready to actually go.
20 meters, droney, 3, 2, 1.
Not bad. Let's try
10 meters, circle, 3, 2, 1.
While there's definitely some improvement in the video quality of the Neo 2, it just looks a little more natural. I think the biggest improvements come because of the obstacle avoidance and the new tracking features.
And then of course it has follow modes. Let's try those.
And this is the biggest improvement. You can now select where you want the drone to follow you from. So instead of just following you from in front or behind, the Neo 2 is now capable of following you from pretty much anywhere.
Rocket, follow. Rear left, rear. Rear right, front right.
And it does a really good job of tracking someone and staying in that position once you start moving.
Front right, follow. 3, 2, 1.
Like the Neo 1, the Neo 2 is designed primarily as a self-flying selfie drone to capture shots of you doing whatever you're doing without the need for a controller. So when you're ready to stop tracking or flying, you simply stop, hold out your hand, and the Neo 2 will come and land in the palm of your hand. Super easy and super simple to operate.
All right, that's pretty impressive. It's cool now that you can track from all the sides. The front doesn't matter as much. It definitely is a pretty big improvement as far as tracking over the Neo 1. I'll have to check out the footage and see what that looks like.
To me, there's definitely been some improvement in the image quality over the Neo 1. This actually looks pretty decent, even though there's no log color profile. It actually looks a little bit more natural and not quite as over-sharpened as the Neo 1 did. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a direct comparison. But with the new tracking features, the Neo 2 is definitely a solid drone, and it has a little bit better top speed and wind resistance, which is really great. Like the Neo 1, you can control this with Like the Neo 1, you don't need a controller, or you can control this with a remote control, and with the addition of OcuSync 4, it gives it some really solid range and penetration where there might be bushes, trees, or obstacles. And speaking of obstacles, now that it has obstacle avoidance, it's really nice, and that enables some of the more advanced tracking features. But, like anything, obstacle avoidance is not foolproof, and thankfully, this drone is fairly durable. If you're looking for your first drone or a really solid follow drone where you don't have to worry about controlling the drone as much, then the Neo 2 should definitely be high on your list. There are affiliate links in the description that you can get the Neo 2 from. And if you're in the US, I have a few specific places where I know they have them in stock in the US, including DroneWorks. If you want to buy from somebody in the US who ships out quickly, then I would suggest going through DroneWorks. There are other options in there too, including some resellers on eBay that I haven't had issues with, and I do keep those links updated, so be sure and check those out. Next, you're going to want to watch this video right here. I'll see you over there. As always, if you have questions, ask me in the comments below or join my live stream, which happens most Wednesday nights at 4 p.m. Alaska time, 8 p.m. Eastern. We can have more of a conversation. I can answer questions that maybe I didn't get to in this video. I'll see you again soon in the next one. Cheers.